Have you ever used a filter on your phone? Or asked a smart speaker for the weather? Maybe you've let a streaming service pick your next movie. If you've done any of these, you've used artificial intelligence. AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's in our homes, our pockets, and our daily lives. But the real question isn't where it is, it's what it's becoming. How smart is it, really? Can it be creative? Can it understand a joke? And the biggest question of all, will it take my job? Welcome to AI versus Human Explained. This is the channel where we explore the biggest revolution of our time. Our mission is simple, to break down the complex world of AI in a clear, visual way. We'll put AI to the test, comparing it to the incredible abilities of the human mind to find out who's better at what. For example, in a contest of pure calculation and data processing, AI wins. It can analyze millions of pieces of information in the blink of an eye. But what about context, empathy, or coming up with a truly original idea? For now, the human brain is still the undisputed champion. So what does this mean for the future of our jobs? It's not about being replaced, it's about adapting. History shows us that technology doesn't just end jobs, it creates new ones we could never have imagined. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper. Which jobs are the safest from AI? Can AI create real art? And what are the biggest dangers we need to watch out for? If you are curious about the future and your place in it, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on this journey. Welcome to the explanation. We'll see you in the next video.